Let's get started. The first problem. First problem, I have two mass hanging on it, mass number 1 and mass number 2. Mass number 2 is 50 and mass number 1 is 200. So this is 200 kilogram. This one is 200 kilogram, 200 gram. So that must be 0.2 kilogram, and this is 50 gram. So this one is 50 gram. That must be 0.05 kilogram. So just to make sure, this is 0.2 kilogram. I just don't want to be too crowded. 0.2 kilogram, and this is 0.05 kilogram. We want to find the acceleration. So acceleration formula is very simple. Acceleration is me minus me minus mc multiplied by z over total mass. Alright, so acceleration is me is 0.2 minus 0.05 times let's use 9.8 instead of 10. Our total mass is 0.2 plus 0.05, so 0.25, so 1.88, so 5.88 meter per second square. So this elevator accelerates about 6 meter per second square. Alright, so let's go do the next one. Next one, we are trying to find the acceleration and find the tension. Acceleration would be 0. Y acceleration would be 0. Let's see, A is equal to me minus mc g over total mass. Now me is equal to mc, and that would be so 0.2 minus 0.2 times 9.8 divided by 0.4. So 0 times 9.8 divided by 0.4, which is 0. So acceleration is 0. Now we're going to find the tension. So what would be the tension? Tension would be, so to find the tension, the minus m2g is equal to m2a All right. So now acceleration is 0. So this is 0. So ft is equal to m2g. So then ft is equal to m2g. What is m2? M2 is 0.2, and g is 9.896. So ft is 1.96 newton. So the tension on the rope is, tension or acceleration is 0, and tension on the rope is 1.96 newton. If we use the other equation, we'll get the same thing. Let's check that out. If we use the other equation, this one would give us the same thing. So that would be this one would be ft minus m1g is equal to m1a. Acceleration is 0, so ft is equal to m1g. So m1 is 0.2 and g is 9.8, so that's give you 1.96 newton. So no matter how you do it, you get the same tension force. Now we're gonna solve the last problem. Last problem, the one mass is 0, the other mass is 0.2 kilogram. All right, so what we are trying to find, we are trying to find the acceleration, and we are trying to find the tension force. Let's first find the acceleration. So acceleration is me minus mc multiplied by z, me plus mc. So me is minus mc is 0.2 times g, acceleration due to gravity is 9.8. Okay, now on the bottom I have me is 0 plus 0.2. Negative 0.2 times 9.8 divided by 0.2. So I have 0.2 cancel, so negative 9.8 meter per second square. So acceleration, as we expected, since it is a free fall, so acceleration is acceleration due to gravity, which is negative 9.8 meter per second square. Now we're going to find the tension force. How are we going to find the tension force? Tension force is this is ft, and this is mcg. So ft minus mcg is equal to negative mca. So acceleration is so ft is equal to mcg minus mca. Alright, so ft is equal to mc g minus a. So that ft is equal to mc is 0.2, g is 9.8 minus 9.8. So ft is equal to 0.20. So then ft is equal to 0. We expected that the tension force on the roof is 0 is because the object is on free fall, so there is no tension force. That's why the apparent weight loss is 0.2 kilogram. The person will, whatever it is, it will feel the weightless. This is the scenario number 4. So okay, so acceleration is negative 9.8 meter per second square and tension force is 0 on the rope. Thank you.